Hello everyone, welcome back to NNQ's World. This is the continuation of the part 1 nest of birds. We discussed about the different types of nest in the previous video. Now we will discuss about the nest of different birds in detail. First we will discuss about the platform nest or nest that we can see in the rock or a tree. This type of nest are built by eagle, vulture and hawk. It's carnivorous birds. And this type of nest are large and flat nest. This type of nest are large and flat nest, and it is built on higher branches of tall trees or in rocks. They will build the nest in higher branches of tall trees or on rocks, and this type of nest we call it as platform nest or iris. Eagle's nest we call it as iris. This is iris. Eagle's nest we call it as iris. Eagle nest is constructed with materials like large stick and it lined with grass. Large stick, grass, plant stalks and seaweeds. They will construct with large sticks lined with grass, plant stalks and seaweeds. Sometimes they will pick up the broken sticks from the ground. They collect stick from the ground, or they will break the branches of trees. With the help of their beak, they will break the branches of trees. Then that material is used for making nest. Eagle nests are very large in size. That's why we call it as platform nest. And we cannot able to see with our naked eyes because it is in the higher branches of tall trees. So eagle nest also called as platform nest, and eagle nest we call it as iris. And this type of nest we cannot see with our naked eye because they are constructing their nest in higher branches of tall trees or on rocks. Next we will move on to woven nest or pendulum nest. This type of nest are built by the weaver bird. This type of nest was built by the weaver bird. Weaver bird use twigs, grass, leaves and fine piece of straw to make a big and strong nest. And they will make their nest by pulling the grass in and out. They will make the nest by pulling the grass in and out. So they use materials like twigs, grass, leaves and fine piece of straw to make a big and strong nest by pulling the grass in and out. So they will construct a strong nest by pulling the grass in and out. They will tie in knots also so that the nest becomes more secure. They will tie knots in between so that the birds make their nest more secure. And this nest is built with the help of their beaks. This type of nest they will do with the help of their beaks. They will use strong conical beaks to build their nest. This type of nest hangs from the branch of a tree. This type of nest hangs from the branch of a tree. This type of nest hangs from the branch of a tree. The bird enters and comes out through a tunnel-like opening at the end of the nest. There will be an opening at the end of the nest. It's like a tunnel. And the bird enters the nest through that tunnel-like opening. We can see the picture in the next slide. This is the weaver bird nest. It is a hanging type. So we call it as pendulum type of nest. They will use mainly materials like grass. We can see here grass, twigs and leaves. Grass, twigs and leaves. Here we can see the leaves also. So grass, twigs and leaves they will use, and they will pull out the grass in and out. So it is tight and secure. And the birds will enter the nest through an opening at the bottom. The bird will enter the nest through a tunnel-shaped structure at the bottom. This is the weaver bird nest. It's a hanging type of nest. Woven nest, we call it as woven nest, and also pendulum type of nest. Pendulum nest or woven nest. Next we will move on to the tailor bird's nest. From the name itself, it's very clear that tailors stitch the dress. So this bird also stitch the nest with their beaks. Tailor bird make their nest with long leaves. They will use long leaves like here. Sometimes they will use one or two leaves, sometimes single leaves they will use, but it is very long. And they will use its beak to stitch the large leaves together. They will use beaks to stitch the two large leaves together, and they will stitch with the help of a thread, cotton thread or thread from the spider web. They will use materials like cotton thread or thread from the spider's web so that it can stitch the leaves together. And they use materials like straw and dry twigs. Inside they will keep straw and dry twigs, and the nest is lined with materials like cotton, and inside they will use sometimes materials like wool, grass and hair to keep them cozy. That is, keep the nest cozy. They will use wool, grass and cotton because they want to sit comfortably. For this they will use materials like wool, grass and hair. So the tailor bird will make their nest with long leaves. They will stitch the nest. That is why they are called as tailor bird. They will stitch the nest with the help of their beak. The beak will act like a needle. Beak will act like a needle. It is pointed one. So it's act like a needle. Then it will stitch the two leaves together with a cotton thread or spider web, thread of the spider web. And they will use materials like straws and twigs. Inside the nest, they will keep materials like cotton, wool or grass to make them comfortable. That nest to be comfortable, then only it can sit or they can lay eggs. The tailor bird make their nest with long leaves. They use a beak like a needle to stitch the two large leaves together with a bit of cotton thread or thread from the spider. And it also uses straws and dry twigs. The nest is lined with materials like cotton, wool or grass to keep their nest cozy. Next we move on to the woodpecker's nest. The woodpeckers make holes in the trunks of a tree. The woodpecker make hole in the trunk of a tree. The woodpecker make holes in the trunk of a tree with the help of their chisel-like beaks. With the help of their beak, the woodpecker make the holes in the trunk of a tree with the help of chisel-like beak. They use the pieces of wood to make their nest warm and comfortable. They use chips of wood to make their nest warm and cozy. They build nest in order to lay their eggs and to raise their young ones. They build nest mainly to lay eggs and to raise their young ones. The woodpeckers make holes in the trunk of a tree with the help of their chisel-shaped beak. And they use small pieces of wood material to keep their nest warm and cozy. And they will build the nest to lay eggs and to take care of their young ones. Next we will move on to the penguin nest. Penguins live in very cold places. Penguins live in very cold places. We can see penguins in the Antarctic area. We can see penguins in cold places like Antarctica. And there it is difficult to find the twigs, grass or straw. It is difficult to find twigs, grass or straw. So they collect stones and pebbles. They will collect stones and pebbles and make their nest on the ground. They will make their nest on the ground with the help of stones and pebbles. This is the penguin nest. They will collect stones and pebbles and they will make their nest on the ground. So penguin's nest also called as the ground nest. It's also called as the one type of ground nest. Penguins live in very cold place. It is difficult to find twigs, grass or straw. So they collect stones and pebbles to make their nest on the ground. I hope you all understood the different nest of different types of birds. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel NN Quiz World.